Okay, boys, no grazing in here. My God, you ever seen anything like this before? Bah, 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 bah. Come on, ladies, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. You better catch up. They're gonna leave you. All right, ladies. Let's go, girls. Let's go, girls. Let's go, ladies. Walk out of here. I wouldn't want to leave either. I don't blame you. What caused all that? Come on, darling. There's the gate over there. There you go. But we got to come out. Come on, ladies. Charlie, you better go find that gate hole. I'm going to rope you if you don't behave. There you go, girls. Find the open door. It's a lot funner on the other side, I promise. I know it looks like a barren wasteland. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We ran one through the fence. Yeah, it is fun. It's a little sketchy in that tall grass, man. You don't know what in the hell's down there. Death by grass. They need to put one of these gates like this in the trail class at your local ranch horse show. Good job, dude. All right. What a good day for old Tuff here, huh? Man, I'm just so proud of him. Gosh dang. What we doctor 4 or 5 head, drug one out of a bog, put 10 of them, well, 9 of them through the gate and 1 of them through the fence. I mean, he just never quit, never gave up, never slowed down. He's just all heart. And he's cute as he can be too. Let's just love old Tuff. What in the world got into that black heifer? I didn't even put any pressure on her. She just stuck her head up, squirted out, and was gone, and then came down here and ran through the fence. I guess Tuff was mean mugging her. That's right. She's like, I'm out of here. I'm not messing with the cute little bay pony. That's it right there. See where she tore it all up? She didn't break a wire, but she dang sure made a hole for herself. Oh, goodness gracious. Yearling heifers, I swear. What do we got to do here? Something like that, I think. Good as new. Hey, Tuff. All right. Let's call her a day.